Hey everyone! Welcome to my channel! It's Evelyn and Evelyn's Some Cooking. Today, we are making a simple pan-seared salmon recipe and with a lemon brown butter sauce. It's easy, the method for how to cook salmon in a pan. And then, you can't believe the easy ingredients. So now, I'm so excited and I'm so hungry also. So let's start. Okay, this is our salmon fillet. 1 1/4 pounds skinless boneless salmon fillet. Cut into 4 fillet. And we can only put the 1 1/2 teaspoon, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper, and also the other side can also the other side put the same salt and black pepper, and set aside first. And then we will make a 1 teaspoon of lemon zest, and then 4 teaspoon of lemon squeeze juice, okay. Now we will put unsalted butter 4 teaspoon in a pan. Okay, and turn it into a medium heat. And put our salmon that we will put side and like that. Okay, and then cook into 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes turn it the other side. Okay. It's easy to cook. I'm excited. Looks delicious. Oh, it's delicious. Looks delicious. I turn it the other side now. And now after 3 minutes, the other side. So I will put our 1 teaspoon of lemon zest and our lemon, 4 cup of lemon juice. Okay. And now, it's done. We will transfer in the plate. So delicious. And our lemon brown butter sauce. Of course, I will put it. Okay, done. Our pan-seared lemon recipe with the lemon brown butter sauce. Okay, and then I will put the lemon. And I love it. Yes, very good. Yes, and then I will put the 1 teaspoon of parsley in the upper. Okay, I will take one to taste. So excited. It so looks delicious. And of course, I love to put a lemon brown butter. It's good. Delicious. So really good. Everyone, if you like my video, give me a big thumbs up, down, and subscribe my channel. Click the bell for the notification. And see you for the next video. Thanks for watching.